I'm a little worried about Skye. For the past 5 days, he does not seem to be quite himself. He chirps and he eats. There's nothing wrong with his appetite, but he seems to prefer being in his cage, and he stopped mimicking human voices, and that is unusual. Also, usually he would rush to the phone to sit on the screen to see what's on the phone, but as you can see, he's just ignoring it and staying in his cage. Hey, little guy, what's up? I'm worried about you. Skye continuously chews on his right foot, and upon looking closer, I could see he actually regurgitates his food, then eats it again, and this process continues.